The wind plays a funny trick today. In this video, you learn new words about the weather, slow and easy. Stay with Bunmi to the end of the story. Turn on the CC for other languages. Bunmi smiles at Molly. She holds a big paper kite. The wind moves his blue shirt. Molly grips the wood tight. But what does the wind do next? A strong wind blows hard. The hat covers his face. He cannot see. Molly shouts a loud warning. He hits a dirt rock. He falls near a wood post. Molly reaches up for the hat. Bunmi pats her small head. Can they fly the kite now? Molly pulls the tight string. Bunmi pulls the string too. The heavy kite drags them. They slide to a tall wheel. The string catches on the wood. He stretches his tired arms. The string pulls him up. Molly holds the wood tightly. She rolls the string back. The knot falls down fast. The kite sits in his lap. But what comes from the sky? Thick rain falls on the mud. He reaches for the kite. They slide fast in the dirt. He hides the kite from rain. Molly hugs his wet shirt. Warm sun shines on his face. The kite is clean and dry. She throws the kite up high. The kite flies in the sun. Wait, before you go, some words from today, just for you. Listen and repeat. Kite, kite. Hat, hat. Shirt, shirt. Wheel, wheel. String, string. Sun, sun. Clouds, clouds. Rain, rain. Field, field. Mud, mud. You listened. You learned. Like and subscribe for more stories. This is more Lingua, English. Watch next.